Hello everyone, my name is Greg from nobs.com. In today's video I will show you how to build unlimited pages with Funnel Builder. So let's dive in. So I am here on a company whose names Home Business Academy, and they have excellent tools, which is a Funnel Builder tool, which is here on my back office here. So I will later dive in, but first of all, I will show you, if you get log into it, that's the Funnel Builder Academy here, manifesto. After you set up your Funnel Builder, you can begin with your training for the Funnel Builder. So it will be explained everything step by step while creating your funnel pages, mobile optimization, custom code, the pixels, URL redirections, which is very good. You don't need any redirecting programs. It's fun because you get your domain name. You can redirect every link, affiliate link, which be your domain name / some pages or some link, which is very, very easy, and you can remember all the links very easily. I have so many pages here, tracking leads, even you can sell your own products, upsell, downsell. You can build membership sites with. There's even training about video hosting, super low cost on video hosting. You can replicate pages for your team. You can even share your pages with your team if you like. We have an appointment booking widget, Zapier on Webbook advanced integration. You can create unique graphics. You can create survey pages, which is very, very useful. You can do split testing. You have free audio hosting and players. You can upload PDFs to the builder. We have a building and transactions looking site. You can creating a blog post with our funnel builder. You can creating blog posts with the funnel or building websites. So the next important thing what I want to point to is a Funnel Builder live coaching. We have even Funnel Builder live coaching here, which is if you need live coaching or support, and we have a live coaching Zoom mastermind on the first Monday of each month, and you can ask a question, whatever you want, and you can check everything question you have, you get the answers. And we have a daily Grow Rich call each weekday morning you can participate with, which is very good for your mindset. So now I will dive in and show you how easy it is to build funnels here, or the pages, or whatever it is. So you click the button Funnel Builder, and it comes to the page. You see the back office, but you have it off of pages. You just scroll down, you click here, scroll down, and add new steps page, and you have here all templates. What you got here, we have I think we have over 500 templates here. So lead capture pages, thank you bridge pages, terms and privacy policy, about us pages, link pages, which are link pages and pages where you, for example, you have so many stuff to promote, you can build on a link page, and you put your all links here, and have all links in your one place. Books, giveaway pages, webinar pages, sales pages, order checkouts. We have even order checkouts here pages, see here you can preview a page. So thank you for your order. Okay. Access your product here. Oh, does it not do it? Here does it cancel. Say go again. So you got order checkout pages. So I can click you see you have a checkout page, everything is set up. You just need to change for your price and whatever you want to put it on, a logo and everything. And then so I have so many pages, so many things to do. Funnel, MLM network marketing funnel, freedom shortcut funnel, digital prosperity. So I don't think, and now I will show you how to build, how fast and easy is to build pages for even for beginners. Okay, you see again, you click here, you got your funnels here, you scroll down and you click on next step, pages, and for example you wanna build like book giveaway. You click on giveaway, you have a templates here, so many templates. Okay, and then for example I will click the first one. So as for example 30-minute workday, free book. You see everything is set up, everything that is for the, we have a already funnel set up for 30 minutes workbook. When you have a page, you just put your links here and everything what you want to put it on it. That is the preview. Okay, if you like that, so you just select and you put page name, for example the ebook training. That will be for my demonstration purposes, and ebook training is here, and you can put even your SEO info, page title, ebook, on meta description, for example, and then you add, and right away you see you have a template in your back office. You can here you can everything very simple. Check it out. You have a blocks here, and everything is show you in a step by step. You have a different block, one block, the second block. You see that's header. So everything is clickable, and and everything is set up. You just click on it and change this block or the copy widget, or you can delay this if you don't like it. You can do so many things. You have to play with it to get familiar with. But like you see, you don't have to be good in building pages or whatever. You have everything you have it for everything template. You got just click, paste everything, and put a live. Check out if the page is live and you ready to go. So you see how fast and simple you can build page here and different funnels here in Home Business Academy. And the best part is is cost. Everything is all inclusive here what I show you today, and it just costs $25 a month. That's insane. That's the price you can build. And the promotion, and this guy is paying 80% commission. That means if you referral 2 clients, or the 2 gets you 2 referrals, you make already profits. So if you like my video, please click subscribe button, and we see you later in the next video. Bye now.